Hello, my name is Varatchaya and I will present my project at Oldenburg, Germany. And my project is about the development of interactive tutorial of robot operation using mixed reality. Because nowadays using robot and controllable machine is the one key to enhance tri industry and is also rising the demand on using it. So there will need to improve the worker skill. So the objective of this research is to develop the application that can train the user and to study and to show the capability of teaching how to use robot using mixed reality. And what is mixed reality? Mixed reality is the system that mix both virtual world and real world together. User can wear the HoloLens device to access this system. User can see the real world through its transparent lens and also can see the virtual object at the same time. So it's called mixed reality. In our research, we use the word magician as a content about teaching, and we need to attach the marker on it so the system can detect the marker and use its position to proceed about the related tutorial. The result is that if all the marker detected, the proposed system can train the user very well. But if once marker was not detected, the system can train the user. So this system can use for train the user to train the robot, but need to increase precision, accuracy, and flexibility.